Welcome in this lesson. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my page. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get the latest updates. Okay, because I'll be posting a series of questions. So in this lesson, we are looking at 2024 Science Paper 2. Science Paper 2, it is chemistry. This is GCE, which was written in July, August, somewhere there. So make sure you click on the subscribe button so that you get the latest updates. So we are looking at question B3. We are looking at question B3. Like I said, subscribe because I'll be posting a series of questions. We'll be answering a series of questions, and this one we are only answering it is B3. So ensure you subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. All right, so the following diagram shows the electronic configuration of an ion of element M. An ion of element M. So this is an ion of element M, as we can see there. Okay, so now ion, how can we define an ion before we start answering this question? So an ion in chemistry, an ion, it is a charged element. Don't mind my cursor there. It is a charged element. So this charged element can either be positive or negative. It can either be positive charge or negative charge. Those which are positive charge, we call them cations. We call them cations or cation. Those with negative charge, we call them anions, or we can call it an ion. To pronounce it. Okay, so you can either call it cation or anions. Okay, so now when you observe this element here, this element, it has got a 2 plus here, a 2 plus here. Okay, so now we can identify this element. So this element has 2 electrons in the first shell, second shell there are 8, third shell there are 8, and it has lost 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Okay, so now such element, when you go on the periodic table, this element, it is okay. So we are here. So element having 2 in the first shell, then we have 8 second shell, we have 8 third shell, and this one has lost 2 electrons. Okay, so when you check this element, it is calcium. Calcium is the element they have given us. Okay, let's look at the questions. Okay, so draw the atomic structure and write the electronic configuration of a neutral. So a neutral calcium, it has got atomic number 20. So this means that we are going to draw it with 4 shells. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let me use a different ink. Okay, so when you are drawing, inside there you write the symbol of that element which you are drawing. Okay, so apart from here dot or here cross, but I've picked here cross. It's not a big deal. You can also use the other one for dots. This one I'm using it for cross. Okay, so calcium in the first shell, it has maximum number of electrons, which is 2. In the second shell, it has maximum number of electrons, which is 8. And then in the third shell, it has maximum number of electrons, which are 8. Okay, so calcium, neutral calcium has 20 electrons. So let's count the first shell, 1, 2. Second shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The fourth shell, it has 1, 2. So an examiner is very strict on this one. Make sure you count them and you draw them properly. Kupenda, make sure first shell only 2. Then the other shells you do likewise. Okay, so draw the atomic structure and write the configuration. Okay, so this is called a neutral element. So a neutral element, it has 2, 8, 8, 2. So this is the answer they wanted there. So this is the configuration 2, 8, 8, 1. Okay, so this element, remember on the periodic table we have groups and we have periods. So now if you check calcium, it is in group 2, meaning calcium, it's a metal and this one needs to lose 2 electrons for it to be stable. In group 1 element we have like sodium there. Sodium, it has 1 in its outermost shell, meaning it needs to lose 1 electron for it to be stable. When you look at periods, the periodic table has 7 periods. Okay, so we have period 1, we have period 2, we have period 3, and we have period 4. Then here we have period drawing, yes, 5, we have 6, and the last one we have 7. Okay, so calcium, it is found in period 4. Why is it found in period 4? Because it has got 4 shells. Simple. So calcium is more period 4 because our tama shells add 4. We can even count here 1, 2, 3, 4. So meaning it has 4. Okay, give the name and the group. Okay, so the name, we said that element, it is calcium. Okay, then the group calcium is found in group 2. So the group, it is group 2. And then the period, calcium is found in period 4. So this is the group. The group where calcium is found, it is group 2. And then the period where it is found, it is period 4. So the other year they were asking why such elements like this one, it is found in period 4, because it has got number of shells. How many number of shells? 4. Okay, so give the name, group, and the period where element M is found. So we have answered here. 3 marks. The group, first of all, the name, the group, and the period. Compare the reactivity of an atom of M and an ion. Okay, so we have 2 here. We have M, which is a neutral, and we have this other M, which is an ion. Okay, so now we are comparing the reactivity of these atoms. So if you look at the configuration, this one was having 2, 8, 8, 2. This one was having 2, 8, 8. Yes, that's all. So now when you are trying to compare, let's now answer the question. So you're going to say this the neutral atom, this neutral atom, it is unstable. Hence, it is more reactive. This other one, which is stable, it is not reactive. So the one which is more reactive is this one. This one, it is stable. So this one, you can say this one is stable. It is stable. That's why it is less reactive. But this other one, it is unstable. So this one, it is unstable. It is unstable. So the answer you're going to write there, you're going to say M is unstable, hence it is more reactive, while ion M, it is stable, it is less reactive. Okay, so if you have questions, you can comment. There's a comment section there, and make sure you subscribe for this channel. Thank you.